We're at You ready? Hi, it's Ann, and we're at the International Builders Show in Las Vegas, and we're seeing all kinds of cool things, but this is something we run into all the time when we're replacing windows in a home. As you know, in Louisville, many of the older homes have double hungs over their kitchen sink. Now, I'm 5'8.5", 5'9", so opening a window like this is not a challenge for me because I can reach even up here to lock it. But this is one of the newest innovations that Marvin has, where the window and the lock is actually integrated into the lift. So when you lift it, it opens it, but when you close it, it automatically locks. So it automatically locks. So if you're shorter and it's easier to handle. But the other thing we run into is sometimes it's even difficult just to open. So oftentimes we'll do a casement window or an awning window over a sink, where all you have to do is reach over and do this. It takes no strength to open it. It's handy, and you get air, and in an awning it sheets rain away. One quick note to remember: this can be awkward if you have a high sink or high faucet and the handle can be close, so you got to be careful with that.